Hey guys, it's Stephanie Johnston with the Johnston team of Service First Mortgage, and today, not everyone's favorite topic, but one we got to talk about is property taxes. So specifically what I'm going to go through today is these tax notices. So this is for Texas specific. This is where most of our loans are originated, and property taxes in relation to your escrow account and escrow shortages, that evil word we do not like and we want to prevent. So couple things going on right now. For reference of when this is recorded, it's May 1st of 2018. So most people are getting their tax notices from the county. So the county each year can give you a tax notice that will either keep the value the same, raise it, or lower it, but they can change it. So the tax notice that you get right now, very important thing to remember, is your servicing group or your escrow department does not get it. So you get notified, but no one else does. So when people say, well, why didn't my mortgage company update my payment sooner? It's really because they don't know. So in the event that when you get that notice that your taxes are going to increase, so that value's up equals tax is going to go up. Most of the bills will give you an estimated tax amount that's going to be due, and you want to review this and show, okay, is this going to be more than the year before? Am I going to be higher? If so, we definitely need to take action now. First thing to look at, is that value justified? So can you fight it? First place to start, call your real estate agent that helps you purchase this home. And if, or your trusty realtor that you work with, if you need a realtor recommendation, let us know. We work with some amazing agents here and can get you connected with some that would be more than happy to help. Don't think it's a burden. Your realtor loves to hear from you, by the way, so call them. There's also tax companies out there that do this for a living, that fight taxes. So I've had some clients go there and have some good success, just a personal preference. So again, can we get that down? Can we save money? Next thing is reminder, again, homestead exemptions. If you are owner occupying your home, we find a lot of people have never filed it. So you only have to do it once. You can do it for the year when you own the house, January 1st. So for example, for those clients that purchased a home in 2017, make sure that that homestead exemption is on there now. And if it's not, you can go ahead and you can file that. So that's something that you can say, okay, let's file that now. And a lot of people also don't know, if you won that missed it, you can go back usually for a year to 2 years and get it added and get a refund. So that's something that is, again, free to do. So, documentation on homestead exemptions, how to protest, any of that. Google your county and CAD, Central Appraisal District. You'll pull up their website. We'll have all your taxing information on your house. Confirm if you don't have that paper copy, what the electronic stuff, version of that is online. Prior tax information, contact information. The appraisal districts, despite what a lot of people think, are actually very, very nice and very helpful and know a lot. So if you have general questions, or I don't think I did this right, or how do I file this form, or what would happen if I did this, call them. Again, super nice people, they'll help you out on that. Okay, and then now if we cross that bridge and the taxes are really gonna go up, we say, okay, no, this stinks, but they're going to increase. What we wanna look at is, when the mortgage company gets that bill in October, they pay the tax bill in December. So that now that we know in May, let's say a client's taxes are gonna go up $1,000, just using round numbers here. It's a lot easier to start today and budget for by December to pay in an extra $1,000 to your escrow account. And versus if you don't do anything and you say, I hate this value, I'm gonna throw it under the table here and not look at it, then what'll happen is the mortgage companies going forward, they get the notice, or the bill, they pay the taxes in December, and they say, oh wait, well, we didn't know your taxes went up $1,000. I don't have enough money. So then you get that letter in the mail that says you have an escrow shortage. And when you have an escrow shortage, the options are A, increase your payment to make up the difference. So it's kind of like servicing's paying it for you and you have an IOU back to them. So they really do pay your bill for you. And they can finance that over 12 or 24 months, but they have to then go backwards in collection, and then they also have to go forward. So if it's kind of like double increasing your mortgage payment, because again, now we got to go back last year and then go forward, and it's a lot of taxes to make up. Versus if you pay in the shortage, the best thing that you can do is that $1,000, they come to you and say, okay, option 1, increase the payment. Option 2, hand me this much money and I don't have a shortage, your escrow account's perfect. And then the amount that they need to increase is just property taxes going forward. So tax bill divided by 12, but a fully balanced escrow account. So again, that's the best thing you can absolutely do is handle it today when you get the notice, plan for increases. We do pride basically tell our customers that the best thing they can do is just call us. I know this is a lot. We like math. We're really dorky people over here. A lot of people, it's not one of their favorite things in life. We can help you. So I can tell you how to fix this, how much extra to pay in. So always feel free that you can call. Even if you have not done a loan with us and you've got some questions, feel free to comment on the video or send us an email or give us a call. I'm more than happy to help. One of the things I, again, pride myself is making sure that customers understand this stuff, and we create successful home ownership, and we don't want someone's payment going up so much and then they feel that they can't make it or they can't budget or save or it distracts them from their end financial plan. So I hope this information is helpful and gives a little more insight on how this crazy escrow account work stuff plays into a factor. Let us know if we can help. Thanks.